What's going on, guys? So today I will show you how to get unbanned on TikTok. So this is going to be easy, so let's start. So first, let's open up TikTok. So an account will be banned if the system thinks that there are some unusual activities going on with an account. So if your account is banned, the only thing you can do is to send a request to TikTok. To do this, tap on the profile icon on the lower right corner of your screen. Now tap the three lines on the upper right corner and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. From the list of topics, tap on Account and Profile. In the next options, tap on Manage Account, and then tap on Hacked Accounts. TikTok is more likely to prioritize hacked account issues, so they will get back to you as soon as they get this report. Scroll down and tap No. Continue scrolling down and tap on Need More Help. So in here, you need to provide your username, your phone number or email, your location, and the description. So here in the description, you can say that your account has been hacked and now it is doing unusual things, such as liking tons of pages or sending out repetitive comments to tons of videos. So after you fill out all these fields, you can tap on Submit. Again, TikTok takes this hacking issue very seriously, so it is very likely that your account will be unbanned within 48 hours. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.